time I try to leave, something keeps pulling me back, telling me I made it.
So, welcome to my channel. And if you are watching this video today, it's your girl birthday. Your girl turned the big 29, and as I get older, I walk into this journey of just like, you know, accepting things for what they are. In church, in church, the pastor was saying we need to just learn how to release control and just learn how to flow within God. So that's what my intentions are in this season, and I'm just thankful to see another day. Y'all, today I'm going to go pick up Freebies because I'm getting older and I got a baby back there in the back seat. So as I get older, I find more joy in doing things solo and things that are just nice and things that make me happy. You know, it's not about anybody else today, it's about me and everybody else's birthday that's today. It's about us. So yeah, I'm a Taurus, so yeah, we're about to enjoy this day. I am going to show y'all all of the places that you can go get freebies from on your birthday. First place is Starbucks. That's where we are headed, so that's where we're going right now, to Starbucks. Baby, he just went to sleep, so hopefully Starbucks can give it to me through the drive-thru. I have my app, so you know, once again, you have to have apps, and for some of these places you would need to be constantly on the app, like, you know, within a year period before your birthday. So I'll be more descriptive and like let you all know which ones require that. But yeah, we are going to Starbucks so we can get our free little drinky. All right, y'all.
Hi, what can I get started for you today?
Hello, how are you doing?
Good, how are you today?
I'm doing well, thank you. I have a quick question. So today's my birthday, and I have the app. Is it true that I get a drink of my choice?
Yes, you get a free drink.
Oh, okay, and that's any drink?
Yeah, it can be any drink, any size.
Oh, okay, so I will do the I'll do the white chocolate mocha iced coffee.
Okay, what size do you want to do?
I guess I'll do a venti.
Right, venti iced white chocolate mocha.
And is it possible to get sweet foam?
Can you get one on there? I'm sorry.
Sweet foam? Okay, yes. I think that's what it's called.
Oh, that's all for you?
Yes, that'll be all.
Okay, I have for you.
Alright, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
So y'all, I just ordered my drink and she seems nice. She said it's my birthday, you know, you get the free drink. So I got the white chocolate mocha iced coffee with the vanilla foam or whatever, sweet foam. I said sweet foam, I don't know what that is. I'm not a Starbucks girly, but yeah, so that's what we're doing. So yeah, this is first stop down. So if you come to Starbucks, you get a free drink, any size, any flavor, anything is free. So first thing off the list, I got my drink. Starbucks, I got it. So y'all, the next stop is edible arrangement. So if I've had an edible arrangement account for a long time, since I've, you know, been like getting them for people's birthdays and stuff like that. So if you have the rewards little program or the app, you can get a free dessert. So we're gonna go in here and see. Hopefully it's good. Regardless, it's free, so I'm thankful. So that's where we're about to go now. Oh, somebody's in the road, have to wait. So yeah, so that's where we're about to go, to edible arrangement. It's right there. I secured the edible arrangement. So I heard that they used to do like chocolate covered strawberries, but now you have a choice of a vanilla cupcake, a fudge brownie, or dang, I can't think of the other. A cheesecake. I don't want a cheesecake, so I got a cupcake. So yeah, we just made it to Great American Cookie, but the challenge of the day is getting Ramon in and out this car. Support the Nut and Bunt cake. If you have the rewards little app, and you have an account with them, you just sign up, and when you put your birthday on your birthday, they'll send you an email and you just show it. So Nut and Bunt cake support. Oh, it's a beauty. No thanks. Alright. And then it's gonna ask how you like the receipt. So the Sephora has been bagged. So we're heading back to the car. Y'all, so I have Ulta Beauty and Sephora. They end up giving you like I told y'all, with Ulta Beauty you get an option to choose from the basket. With Sephora they already have like some pre-made things. So I got the Summer Friday. So yeah. So y'all, I'm killing two birds in one stone. So oh, thank you. Now I am in Buffalo Wild Wings. So I ended up getting fries, so I paid like $3 and some change, and I gave a tip, so $4. But the wings were completely free. So I pretty much got everything. Just got my Buffalo Wild Wings, Sephora, nothing but cakes, edible arrangement, Great American cookies. So I still have to go and get some stuff from Krispy Kremes. I said creams. Krispy Kreme. I saw something where this girl was like, why black folks gotta put the S over everything? And I just did that. But Krispy Kreme, Bath and Body Works, and a few other places. But for the most part, birthday freebies has been going good. Me and baby have just got to a park and we're about to enjoy our lunch, and then I'll check back in. This is what we got for lunch. Like I told y'all, at Buffalo Wild Wings you get 6 free wings for your birthday. And then I ordered some fries. Got my nut and bunt cake for dessert. Still drinking on this coffee because I don't really drink coffee like that no more. And we have this beautiful view. So that's what we're doing right now. So we're just living it up. This year I am focusing on, you know, reciprocating my love to people who pour into me. I feel like for a long time in my life I've poured into like the wrong type of relationships. Not just like relationship like with men, but friends too. So I hope in this new chapter I can meet new friends, new people, grow my bonds with people whom I have relationships with. I just want to be more intentional about the company I keep, because I think for so long I was pouring and then realized, dang, I'm not getting anything back, which is like, you know, it's not, you're not doing stuff for that, but you realize like, dang. So y'all, this is how I'm enjoying my birthday at the gazebo with my baby, and you know, enjoying some food, relaxing. This is what life is about, y'all. Look who done picked me up in the big body. Big body. Ooh, let's take it, hop in, girl. That was
This
rewarding.
is so cute and small.
I like it.
All right, guys, we're pulling off.
We're pulling off.
I need to get me one of these, and you can literally place it. Oh wow, it turns when you turn.
Yes.
Oh,
Girl, it's literally
it's Crystal's birthday.
Got my girl with me.
Right.
Pick me up. I love this.
It's perfect for me, right?
Yes, this is you. We did see Mean Girls, y'all. So we just made it to the movies.
Fur coat, half for me, and worth of ice on. Leave me
That's why I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I wanna say. You try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not fake. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You wanna hear me up when you make it. You try and come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop. Those on this side, those over on this side.
Hey y'all, so it's the next day and I'm still on my journey. Y'all can see baby boy back there. Still on my journey of getting my freebies, like I told y'all. So right now we are at Krispy Kreme. So with Krispy Kreme donuts, you get y'all, it's the morning time. The birthday freebies, you get 3 free donuts with 1 purchase. So I'm just gonna purchase a donut and then get 3 free. So I'll get 4 donuts and then I can give 2 to my niece when she comes home from school today. So that works out perfect. And yeah, she loves Krispy Kreme donuts. So I'm really getting it for her because I really wasn't gonna get this one until later on, but I don't want to just sit on it and forget. So yeah. Mama birthday. Y'all can't see him, but mama.
Thank you for choosing Krispy. What can I get for you today?
Hi, good morning. I have a quick question. With the cookies and cream cheesecake donut, does it have filling?
At the moment, I only have the caramel one. It's on a ring donut. It's covered in cinnamon with the caramel drizzle and the whipped cream topping.
Okay, no problem. Well, I have the birthday because today's my birthday. I have the 3 donuts with a purchase. So I'm gonna purchase the strawberry ice donut with sprinkles.
I don't even think that this sorting is perfect. Oh, wait a minute. I do our frontin'. I do have it on frontin'.
Yes, I'll do that, and then the 3 free. I know. I'll just do glazed donuts.
Okay, yes, that is correct. Okay, you go gladly for a round.
All right, thank you so much.
No problem.
So y'all, I secured the other freebie, 3 free donuts with a purchase. I'm getting my admission. If you live in Georgia, you know about admissions. Every time your birthday come around, you gotta go get that admission. So that's what I'm getting done now. So yeah, I bet.
Every time I try to leave, something keeps pulling me back.